What if I told you that some of the strangest mountains in Europe are hiding right here in Bulgaria? These towering rock formations look almost like something from another planet. Sharp peaks, deep canyons, and hundreds of natural stone pyramids stretching across the landscape. But this isn't a movie set or some distant desert. These are the Melnik Pyramids, one of Bulgaria's most spectacular and unusual natural wonders. And today, we're going to explore how this incredible landscape was created and why it looks so completely unreal. Near the town of Melnik, soft sandstone rises from the earth in strange formations, sharp peaks, rounded domes, narrow ridges, and walls that look almost sculpted by hand. But no architect built them, wind and water did. Rain cuts into the soft rock, streams carve channels through the valleys, wind strips away the weaker layers, slowly shaping the stone into towers and pyramids. Year after year, storm after storm. The landscape changes, almost too slowly to see, but never truly standing still. From above, the Melnik Pyramids unfold like the ruins of an alien civilization. Ridges stretch across the valleys, deep gullies divide the earth, shadows move over the sandstone, turning it from pale beige to gold, then orange and brown. Every change in light reveals a different landscape: a desert, a mountain fortress, a city made of stone. And beyond it all, the darker slopes of the Pyrenean Mountains create a striking contrast: soft, sculpted earth below, high mountain silhouettes in the distance. The Melnik Pyramids are not frozen monuments. They are still being formed. Water continues to cut, wind continues to sculpt. Time continues to erase and rebuild the edges. That is what makes this place so extraordinary. It feels ancient, but it is still alive. A landscape in motion, a hidden world in southwestern Bulgaria, a glimpse of another planet, shaped by the simplest forces on earth. If you ever explore Bulgaria, do not miss the Melnik Pyramids. And if this alien landscape made you look twice, share it with someone who loves strange places and extraordinary nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.